we had one of our community, and I'm talking the chat community. Every week, this guy's part of our chat. He's hilarious. All right. I consider him a friend to the channel. Is he my friend? No, I don't know him. I don't know him from Adam, but he's a friend to the channel. And he went on an absolute tirade at 2 a.m. because he didn't like the results of Watercraft of the Year. He didn't like it. He got upset about it because the ski that he bought this year was not even in the running. So he lost his freaking mind. And he went to half a dozen videos and started saying that Kevin Shaw was totally bought out by Yamaha and that Kevin Shaw is a shill. I said, okay. And then he went and he made a little YouTube short calling me out and calling me all sorts of names and mother effing me up and down the road. And then he started emailing me at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Okay, I'm asleep. Don't get me wrong, I'm up late. I'm kind of a night owl, and I should be getting better sleep patterns. But he starts flipping out and sending me all this stuff. And at first, I got mad. Now, mind you, my moderators hit me up going, bro, I know we've seen this name a bunch of times. He comments on a bunch of stuff, but now he's like on the attack. And I'm like, well, show me what he's sending me. So I'm getting these screenshots and I'm getting all this stuff. And I go and I sit there and I'm like, and I look at all the emails that are coming in. And so I was like, ban him, kick him out. So we kicked him out. Said, all right, you're out. Now, don't get me wrong, we put him on probation. But I mean, that was my initial reaction was I'm like, I don't want him there. I don't need him crapping on me. You don't want to be here. Get out. So we banned him. And then I wrote him an email. And I said, hey, heads up. I'm going to be real honest with you. Yamaha doesn't give a rat's ass that they won Watercraft of the Year. They really don't. It's just the points shook out that way. I did the math. Everyone who voted turned their points in, and the math shook out. And anyone who watched the video or read the article, for that matter, would say, what's the first paragraph, the first thing that is in that story, or the first 5 words that I say when I start talking about it, was the skis that I like personally didn't win. It's not about me. It's about the judges, because I didn't want it to be about me. And I start laughing because I'm like, buddy, you care more about Watercraft of the Year than I do. You care more about the results of Watercraft of the Year than Yamaha does. And to think that Yamaha is going to pay me for it, and what do they get out of it? Just for shits and giggles. What do they get out of it? They get a $100 plaque. They get an article written about their ski. And if they want to use the title, they can use the title. Sea-Doos used the title. Kawasaki's used the title in their advertising. They put it on their website. Yamaha did it once when they won. I think they won like 2 years in a row for the GP. Okay. Does it help them sell skis? I don't know. You guys tell me if it helps them sell skis. Because I don't think so. But maybe it does. Because it looks good. I wrote them back and I'm like, you care more about this so much that you threw a public temper tantrum, made yourself look like a complete doofus, and you got yourself banned. Over what? Watercraft of the Year? I didn't swear at him. I didn't call him names. I wrote that email to him, and I'm like, bro, I don't know why you care so much. I don't know why it affects you that much. And he wrote back an apology, and he goes, hey, listen, man, I'm really sorry. He's like, I wasn't in my right mind, and I had tied one on, and I got all upset, and I've retracted everything. And I'm like, hey, dude, that's fine. That's cool. You're a friend to the channel. I got you. You're on probation for a week. And that's just because that's standard protocol. And he's like, okay, no worries. See you. And I'm like, okay, cool. And I just kind of laughed. And I was like, okay, no worries, man. No, again, I'm not bitter about it. I'm not pissed. It is what it is. But I have to go back to something. Is We're talking about jet skis. And I've gotten upset, and the comment section on videos have really riled some people up, and they've gotten real mad at me or at Cody or whoever. You know, I had one other guy for a while who was really salty, putting some comments out and just rubbing people the wrong way, because the comment section is awful on YouTube. It's designed to be awful. And I've said multiple times, like, you guys have questions, you can email me. My contact information is everywhere. All right? Email me. That's fine. If you have a real technical question, email me. But when I write back, and I don't write back to everyone. I don't. Because some of them don't need answers. Some of them don't need answers. But when I write back to people, I'm like, hey, unless I'm really not terribly sure, and I'll say, I'm like, hey, listen, I'm not terribly sure about this, but from what I've heard, it's blank. Okay. But if I go, it's X, run with it. Or say Kevin's full of crap and get a second opinion. And by all means, get a second opinion. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.